crash is an incident here, look.
Yeah, well, no, he knocked me out the bloody way.
Yeah, he should have put his lights on then, shouldn't he? Oh, he's gone.
I want to be off there.
Huh? Well, you're off, aren't you?
That was out of order there, wasn't it?
Yeah, he should have put his lights on.
Yeah,
shouldn't
he actually knocked me out the bloody way. If I'd have swerved off, in fact, I've gone with the car.
You never on your thing, will you?
Yeah, glad I put that on.
It's just calm down.
What's laughing at me? Like two yobbles in the car, yeah? No lights.